Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the 4K HDR professional drone with Hasselblad camera. This drone is positioned as a serious tool for aerial content creation, packing some impressive features into a relatively compact body. Starting with the camera system, which is often the most important part of a drone like this, it features a Hasselblad camera. That name alone suggests a focus on quality. It's equipped with a large 1-inch CMOS sensor. This sensor size is a significant upgrade over smaller sensors found in many drones, promising exceptional image quality with better low-light performance and dynamic range. For video, it supports 4K HDR recording, which means you can capture stunning, lifelike footage with vibrant colors and detailed shadows and highlights. This is crucial for professional-looking aerial video. Moving on to flight performance, the drone offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes. This is a solid duration that gives pilots more time in the air to set up shots and capture complex sequences without the constant worry of the battery running out too quickly. The transmission system is also robust, utilizing OcuSync 2.0. This provides a long-range video transmission of up to 8 kilometers, allowing for flights over considerable distances while maintaining a clear view. The real-time auto-switching feature of OcuSync 2.0 helps ensure a stable and reliable connection, which is vital for safe and confident flying. Safety is another key aspect, and this drone includes comprehensive obstacle sensing. It features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, meaning it can detect obstacles in all directions around the aircraft. This significantly enhances flight safety, helping to prevent collisions and giving pilots greater peace of mind, especially when navigating challenging environments or flying autonomously. Physically, the drone is quite manageable in size, measuring approximately 8.43 inches long, 3.58 inches wide, and 3.3 inches high. It's constructed from plastic and comes in a black finish. The package includes the necessary components to get started: propellers, a control stick for the remote, a battery, a USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, and the camera itself. Although listed under a generic brand, it's manufactured by Hasselblad. Based on the specifications provided, this drone appears to be a powerful and capable platform for anyone serious about capturing high-quality aerial photos and videos.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.